think he minds.
Is that comfier?
It's way better than the Jeep. I know somebody who's gonna appreciate this right here. Oh, Suzuki. Woo! First lesson learned. Gotta find level parking. This thing leaning just this little bit, everything seems cockeyed inside. So maybe I have to carry leveling blocks with me. Lesson 1. Hey buddy. How you doing? Hey buddy. Took it out today for a test drive to see how my dog would do in here, and he's doing just fine. He actually likes it better than sitting in the Jeep. He's a little warm, but I brought his favorite fan, so we can sit in here cozy. We're just sitting out here off of PCH under a shady tree, and we got his fan here running off of the Bluetti that I got stored under. Let's pull in 27 and it's on high, so that's cool. Keep my dog happy. Sitting out here in the Ralph's parking lot, just waiting for the wife to get her stuff. Where are you going, buds? So, taking this thing for a ride. It's a little squeaky in the back. I just have to fasten the tops a little better. Another thing that I'm going to need here is something to hold this door open, because it just slammed on my ankle and I wasn't watching, and this corner got me. So maybe a bungee, or I saw somebody had a hook that went here and hooked it to here, and it'll keep it open. Hey buds, come over here. I got your fan going. So nice and shady, cool spot. I think we're gonna grab some lunch after this and go sit by the beach. It's a nice day. What do you think, huh? You like riding in the van? I think he likes it. Sitting in the Jeep, he had no room to turn around. Hey puppy, you hot in there? His hips are bad, so he needs to stand up sometimes. So this is gonna be bearable for him. And if he needs to poop, we got the grass right here. Here's a quick chicken. This door keeps slamming on me, so got a little bungee cord. And I hooked it under here. Boom. Here's a nice little gadget that I bring with me on my road trips. I brought it today because when I started the van, it was a hard start. I'm not sure how old the battery is. I did the check, it said it's fine, but I think it's about 3 years old, so I will pick up a new battery before I do hit the road. But this thing I got so that if we did get stranded, I could just jump myself. The GB20 12 volt 400 amp. This is actually not rated for trucks, but I did try it on my truck and it did jump me, actually the Jeep. So it works. It gives it enough just to get you going. highly recommended if you want to take those trips and you drain your battery by accident. Comes with the little jumpers. You just put these on. You just turn this guy on here. So that's fully charged. There goes the door again. And I don't want to waste it. You can also charge your phones if you needed to off of this little battery. And I believe there's also a flashlight and that 12 volt 400 amp GB20. They have higher rated ones like GB, I don't know, 50s, and check Amazon. I'll leave a link for this one. Comes in this little handy little satchel, little drawstring, and it fits right in here. So that's why I kept this little storage spot. And here's my little solar panel from my phone, or I could probably charge camera batteries with this as well. But yeah, that's my little electronic storage area. If we had more of this throughout the world, there would be no starvation. It's funny how they don't teach you how to grow crops at school, or find water, or be self-sufficient.